What's up, campers, and welcome to our vlog day 2. Unsay nindot nga activity inyong napilan? Enjoy kayo ang single monkey bridge. Isa nagkalisod-lisod mi, nagpadayon lang gyapon mi kay enjoyment kaayo siya.
What I've learned in Pendulum Station is you really need to trust on the person that is around you. You also have to trust in them. Even though parang nakakatakot, then syempre you have to focus sa goal na matapos yun. You also need to trust in God kasi siya yung mag-guide sa'yo.
Diri sa SOLADS or ang 1,000 missionary nga as a youth, kailangan na tuang i-engage sa tuang self. It is also important to spread the gospel as what as have been written in the Matthew 28 verse 18, 19 to 20 nga atuang i-preach ang gospel para ma-spread ang news to the other parts of the world.
Masaday ko no sa nakalampos sa Pendulum Station. Isod kay siya, but if you have a focus to finish the station, makuha gid nimo ang imuha nga goal. Just like sa ato nga faith, sa pagpangalagad, kung dili ta molingi sa uban, if focus ta sa Ginoo, well ato yung makuha ang ato ang gipangandoy heavenly throne.
What I have learned this morning is you need to focus, and not only that, you need to balance as you are climbing. And also, if you look at our Christian life as young people, as Adventists, as we continue this journey, we need to be focused, and who we should be focused on is our Master Jesus Christ as we continue on.